last
Good afternoon,
question.
senatorial candidates. My name is Justin Judpura, the Vice President of the Student Council of FUTech, also a computer science student. My question is, what is the contribution of technology to the nation building? And as future legislators, what technology-related legislation will you champion?
We have legislation where 1% of GDP should be devoted to technology R&D, but that hasn't been done. That's the reason why we're lagging behind in industrialization, because we keep on depending on technologies that are being dumped here that no longer make us competitive. We have to invest in our talent, because many of our talents that are producing technologies abroad are Filipino. No? We should find a way to bring them back here and bring up our country.
Isa sa pangunahing panukalang batas ko, mag-put up ng 50 billion pesos for Filipino inventions and innovations. Talentado ang Pinoy. Ang problema lamang, walang suporta sa gobyerno. Kuripot ang gobyerno. Kaya with this fund, madadevelop ang Filipino talents in inventions and innovations. Salamat po.
Very specific. On information technology, one most advanced equipment being used today, itong ating mga cellphones. Ito rin ang ginagamit sa komisyon ng crimes these days. I-require natin lahat ng mga prepaid ay dapat ipa-register yan. Dapat there should be a law that would require registration on the acquisition of prepaid SIM cards. Malaki ang maitutulong yan sa prevention ng crimes.
Para sa akin, bukod dun sa nasabi ko na kanina, na dapat libre yung wifi sa mga eskwelahan, ano, sa tingin ko dapat may Bill of Rights din for internet subscribers. Bakit? Ako may data plan ako. Umiikot ako ng buong bansa. Ang daming areas na pinuntahan ko, hindi naman gumagana yung internet. Pero yung singil sa akin, napakabilis, napaka-impunto, lagi na lang ganon. Lugi tayo. For crappy service we pay the same amount of money, and dapat mabago yun.
Technological advancement ay dapat gamitin natin to improve. No? Like for instance, in education, may improve natin yan. Agriculture production, kinakailangan ma-improve yan by technological advancement. Ganon din po ang production, manufacture, no? Including, of course, law enforcement. So we need technological advancement, no? Para po ma-improve yung production and way of life natin. Of course, by way of legislation, kasi it will also act as double-edged. No? So we need proper government intervention para pong ito ma-regulate rin natin, sapagkat the abuse of this technical advancement will also have an adverse recourse or action for our part. Thank you.
Tuloy-tuloy po yung pagsulong ng teknolohiya, no? Advances in technology. And we better harness its use and usefulness in the fields of agriculture, industry, manufacturing, and the services. Lalong-lalo na sa education sector. We must have a knowledge-based economy with the help and use of modern technology. Kailangan mapabilis natin yung internet speed by breaking down the barriers to the entry of new players in this field. Maraming salamat po.